Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2026 Seat Arona? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-centric layout with a sharp digital display. It also includes a central touchscreen with intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The central infotainment touchscreen, standard 8.25 inches, optional 9.2 inches, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Seat Connect for seamless connectivity. The full-color digital instrument display, standard 8 inches, with optional 10.25 inches digital cockpit, showing speed, revs, fuel, driving data, navigation prompts, media, and assistance info. The leather-wrapped shift knob varies by trim and is ergonomically positioned for smooth, intuitive gear changes with both manual and DSG automatic options. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The dual-zone automatic climate control that keeps the cabin at your set temperatures independently for driver and passenger, with an air care filter for cleaner air. The Arona is powered by a range of efficient TSI turbo petrol engines from approximately 95 horsepower 1.0 liters to approximately 150 horsepower 1.5 liters, offering a balance of responsive city performance and highway capability with manual or DSG transmissions. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, automatic brake hold system indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, charging system indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, engine oil pressure warning light, forward safety warning light, seatbelt reminder indicator, electric shift control system warning light, high temperature indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator, supplemental restraint system indicator, electric power steering system indicator, vehicle stability assist system indicator, vehicle stability assist off indicator, low tire pressure or TPMS indicator, electronic parking brake warning light, turn signal and hazard warning indicators, lights on indicator, high beam indicator, auto high beam indicator, fog light indicator, front passenger airbag status light, door ajar warning light, automatic emergency braking warning light, petrol engine management fault, low fuel level warning light, master warning light, immobilizer indicator light, inattentive driving warning light, intelligent speed limit assist indicator light, auto hold indicator light, speed limiter not available, low fuel level warning light, adaptive cruise control indicator light, outside temperature indicator. Safety precaution. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbol Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.